We'll guide you through how to fix PayPal money on hold and get it released. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on PayPal, and as you can see here, we've got a payment on hold. So let's go and fix this. So go and click on the transaction like so. You can see some more information about it, and what you need to do is come over to the right and go and click on Get Your Money like so. And we've now got three different options here. We can print a shipping label, add tracking information, or confirm order status. Now, because this was not a good I posted, it was a service which was completed, then in this case, we need to use this option here, confirm order status, and we can then get access to our money within 3 to 7 days of verification. If we're using the tracking or printing, then you're going to go and get your money within 1 day of delivery. But I'll use this option on the right. Then what we can do is go and set the order status to completed as it is, and you can go and choose the completion date as well. I've now set that information, and what we can then do is go and click on submit. And now as you can see, we can now go and expect to get our money by March the 20th. So all you need to do is go and wait. Ultimately, this feature can be annoying, but it was put in place to keep PayPal users safe. I hope you found this useful. Please leave a like.